right here?
That's a triangle.
Good job.
It's a white triangle.
What is this TV?
That TV is a shape.
Yeah, what kind of shape?
Shape is a rectangle.
Good job.
Yeah, and what is those? Those are white squares. They're squares.
Yep, those are squares.
Yeah, and the squares right there too. Look, there's an airplane.
Airplane.
Airplane's flying in the cold sky. See? Out there's outer space.
It's outer space?
Yes, it's the outer space. The whole width of the universe.
Of the universe?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
And it makes me feel
Oh, don't jump on that. Gonna hurt yourself.